Stop wasting time creating motion graphics the manual way, or trying to recreate motion graphics using AI video generators, because we all know the mess it can cause, right? This video was made with code. And so was this one. Now, you can create motion graphics with clean, readable text from kinetic typography, chart animations, counters, you name it. Best of all, it's absolutely free and unlimited. Setup is a breeze, and I've included everything you need to get going in my Ko-fi link. Now, be sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on very important information. So the first thing you need to do is get the TSX to MP4 render system installed. Actually, first, you need to install some prerequisites like node.js. So click on my Ko-fi link and download the TSX to MP4 files, which includes the link to node.js, which is a prerequisite you need to get the system to work. In my Ko-fi link, it says set a price, but don't worry, it's totally free. If you want, you can donate whatever amount. If not, just type 0 and hit continue. Now, all the instructions are there, but I'll guide you step by step right now. Okay, so on the left, I have my file explorer, and I have the host for the instructions. So the first thing you need to do is download node.js. Click here and download node.js. Install that. And when you're done, make sure you have the remotion render zip that you got from the Ko-fi link, and you can right click on the zip file. I have 7-zip, but if you don't have 7-zip, you can just click extract all and just choose the drive that you want to install it in. So for me, it's on F drive, but I'll be using 7-zip. So I'll just click extract here. And that'll create the remotion render folder. In there, you should see the bat file, a JavaScript file, the README instructions, which is basically a shorter version of this, and some sample TSX files. Well, everything's here. You can look at all the code. So you can see all the code there, as well as the JavaScript. Now that you have node.js installed and you're in your remotion-render folder, click in this address link bar and type cmd. So pop up a command prompt window, and we don't have to make the directory or change directory because we're already in there. Then we're going to type npm init-y. I'll just copy it, paste it, press enter, and it should create this package.json. The next step is to install the dependencies. This part can take a few minutes. So copy that, paste it in, press enter. Once everything's done, that's it. You're now ready to go. So I'll show you an example. In the sample.tsx folder, I'll drag the example video and I'll move it into the remotion render folder. From here, I'll grab the TSX file and I'll drag it and drop it right onto the bat file. Should pop up this window. So as you can see, there's a progress bar, rendered frames, and encoded. After that's done, it'll pop up a window like this, which actually created the rendered videos folder, and all your rendered videos are going to go in here. And that code file that we just dropped in here, this example video TSX, this is what it looks like. It's just a bunch of code, and after it's rendered, you get a MP4 file like this. And that's all there is to it. Now you just need to use a custom gem to create your own TSX files. I've included some sample TSX files, like a positive counter, a negative counter, a chart animation. You could try those out. You could also edit the values. I think in here, I just set it to be 0 to 1000. So it'll count up to 0 to 1000. Somewhere in here, you're feeling like editing this TSX file. Totally up to you. You have to dig through this system, or you can just generate a new version. But that's how fast and easy it is to get this going. Now let me show you how to work with the custom gem. Now over to the custom gem. You'll find the link in the Ko-fi thank you page once you unlock it. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account, then access the link. Once you do that, you'll have access to the custom gem. From here, you can pin it, and every time you access gemini.google.com, the gem will be here on your left-hand side. If you don't see it, be sure to click here to expand the window. Now here's where you'll enter in your prompt to create your TSX files. You can also paste a section of your script, and it will build a TSX file from that snippet automatically. For example, in the beginning beginning of my script, I said, stop wasting time creating motion graphics the manual way or trying to recreate motion graphics using AI video generators, because we all know the mess it can cause, right? I can take that text and just enter it here. A custom gem will then generate a motion graphics TSX file based on that. Here's an example. If you like what you see in the preview window, click on this code button, press Ctrl+A to select all. Now just copy the code. Go back to your File Explorer window inside your Remotion Renderer folder. Right-click, create a new text document, paste the code into Notepad, and save it. Rename the file to whatever you want. Remove the .txt file extension and replace it with .tsx. After that, just drag your new TSX file onto the bat file. Your video will render and show up right here in this folder. Now, besides just entering a prompt or a snippet of your script, another thing you can do is design a layout, a static image. Think of this like the finished frame or the last frame of how the animation should look. Upload that image to the custom TSX gem and tell it to create an animation based on this image. You can also just take a screenshot of something you like that has the motion graphics feel and do the same thing. Here's an example. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because instead of trying to mimic that graphic and turn it into an animation, you can also have it use your logo or other image assets. To do this, you need to host the image somewhere online. For me, I just used my website. However, if you don't have a website, go to this website, imager.com, which is imgur.com. Sign up, upload your image, click on the uploaded image, then right-click and select copy image address. Head back over to the TSX gem and just tell the custom gem to use your logo in the animation and paste in the link. Here's another example. Now, if you made it this far, you might as well drop a comment and let me know how or if you plan to use this. And before I forget, I made a video on the new open source Flux 2 Klein model, which is like a nano banana alternative. Be sure to watch that video here, where I take you step by step to get that installed and running on your PC.